Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to install a powerful AI called Clawdbot on your Proxmox server. Let's jump straight in. First, we need a clean, isolated space for it to live. We'll create what's called an LXC container in Proxmox. Think of it as a super efficient, lightweight virtual machine. I'm giving mine 2 GB of RAM and a 20 GB disk. I will update it later. This app needs a bit of room to breathe. Once it's created, start it up and open the console. You're now inside a fresh, minimal Ubuntu system. First things first, let's update our package list. Type sudo apt-update and sudo apt-upgrade-y and hit enter. The core engine for Clawdbot is Node.js. We need the latest version. We'll add the official Node source repository and install it. Use these commands: sudo apt-get install-y nodejs. Verify it worked with node-version. Great, we have version 22. Now, here's a tiny but crucial step people often miss. The installer needs Git. A basic Ubuntu container doesn't have it, so let's fix that. Sudo apt install git-y. All right, we're ready for the main event. This is the single command that fetches and installs Clawdbot from the internet. The command is sudo npm install-g clawdbot at latest. You'll see a bunch of warnings scroll by. That's totally normal for npm packages. Just let it cook. Once it's done, the real magic happens with the setup wizard. Type clawdbot onboard install-daemon. This install-daemon flag is key. It makes sure your AI assistant starts automatically and runs in the background like a proper server application. The wizard will now guide you. First, it'll ask for the AI's brain. You need an API key. This is from either Anthropic for Claude or from OpenAI. This is what gives your bot its intelligence. Have that key ready to paste in. Next, it'll ask which messaging channel to set up. For the absolute easiest start, choose Telegram. It will ask you for a bot token. You get this by talking to @botfather on Telegram. Just follow his instructions to create a new bot, and he'll give you a long token. Copy and paste it right here. The wizard might then offer to install extra skills, like giving your AI the ability to browse the web or check locations. You can say yes. If it asks for an API key you don't have, like for Google Places, just press Ctrl-C to skip that one skill. It's fine, you can add it later. And we're done. The wizard closes. Your Clawdbot gateway, the control center, is now running as a hidden service. So how do you actually talk to it? The service is running inside the container. The easiest way to access its web dashboard is to create a secure tunnel from your local computer. On your own computer, not in Proxmox, run this command. You'll need your Proxmox server's IP address and your container's ID. Now open your browser. Welcome to your AI assistant's control room. From here, you can chat with it directly, see logs, and most importantly, go add more channels like Discord, Slack, or WhatsApp. And that's it. You've just installed a personal, private AI on your own server. You control it, it runs on your hardware, and it connects to the apps you already use.